What's good, people? Tech Jamo, quick Amazon review ting. This one's from INIU, INIU. I'm not too sure, but anyway, we got a power bank here, 20,000 milliamps, PD free, quick charge 4.0, and USB-C output. Fam, this is the power bank of all power banks, apparently. So let's get it open and see what's really good. Right, so this is the power bank itself. What I like about this is that it can't. Is that the actual thing? Is that always on, or is that because I pressed it somehow? Have I pressed it somehow? I'm not too sure. Yes, I think I've accidentally pressed the button here. But basically, as you can see, it shows the percentage when you tap the on button on the side here. Fam, it's nice and smooth, but it's hella thick. It's definitely a thick boy there, fam. Got a little branding on the side there. Yeah. This all looks nice. And on the top, we've got USB-A, USB-C, USB-A, and we've got a little flashlight, which I'm sure if I hold the power button, or maybe double tap the power button, yeah, the flashlight will turn on. Double tap it again, and the flashlight will turn off. Yeah, no, but it looks all cool. But the best thing for me is the fact that it comes with a screen which shows you the battery percentage. Okay, it seems to come with this USB. Is this like a USB light or something? It looks like a USB light, I think. Let me just try and plug it into the power bank. See what exactly it is. I don't even know what this is. What is this? Let's turn it on. Oh yeah. Comes with this little USB light that you can put in your power bank. So that's kind of cool, I guess, if you're reading. And you've got a USB-A to USB-C charger too for charging up the power bank. So yeah, no, that's really cool. And it comes with this nice little carry case. Even comes with this little welcome guide. Right, so let's plug it into my phone and see what the charging rate is looking like. Right, here we go. The moment of truth. Wow. Yep. Whoa. God damn. That is your fast charging right there, fam. Basically, guys, anything over 2,000 milliamps and your phone is fast charging. So, yeah, that's not bad considering that my phone is already at 41%. That is reasonably quick. Dope charger, guys. Dope charger. Big shout out to INIU for sending it out for review. Yeah, no. This is dope, guys, man. This is dope.